Well, there she is, guys. I'm about to leave her out here. I'm gonna miss you, girl. Until next time. My name's Toon.
Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you'd fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Toon Dollars. And I ain't never give y'all the update, but I stick about my meet. Check it out. Right now I'm out here. I got the action camera on my chest. I got an action camera on the front of the meet. And I got an action camera on the back of the meet. Yeah, I sticker bound it. Let me show y'all what it look like. Look at it. Something small.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with it who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bugging. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me? Like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side. I don't know if you thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. All the pictures, dimensions, I don't with your digits. I mean it, I'm staying inside. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money.
Alright guys, today is the big day. My birthday is in less than 2 weeks, less than a week and a half, y'all. And I'm finally bringing out this Honda CRX SI. It's been 5 years. 5 years since I brought this joint out. I actually got it 5 birthdays ago. And now I'm taking it out to get painted on my 31st birthday. So hopefully, by the time I'm 31, this joint is out, painted, nice and juicy, and restored, for the most part, back to OEM. Check it out. Got all the moldings inside the back seat. See? Got all the moldings. I got the paint materials. Yeah, it's gonna go back to Rio Red. So right now it's like 6:40 in the morning. Still got Massachusetts stickers. And I'm about to go drop it off at the paint shop. I'm gonna have my wife follow me with the van because this doesn't have any tags on it. I mean, I got some old tags on it, but they're not registered. Doesn't have inspection, it's not insured. The paint shop is a few blocks from us, probably 2-minute drive from us. So it's time to drop it off. I just wanted to document it and show you guys what it looked like. 1989 SI, y'all. Check it out. She's sitting there quiet, right? Tell them, Jersey, we headed to the paint shop, yo. We headed to the candy shop. Yo, I'm on E. Somebody let me borrow some gasoline. I'm on E, yo. Me and Jersey chilling. I got the wife behind me in the Odyssey, you know, Honda gang. And we out here. CRX life. Y'all see that. I don't even know how to act. I feel like it's my birthday today. Ooh, first gear. Ooh. Ooh. thingy. Beep, 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 beep. All right, we got it. Yo, I think there's something wrong with that sensor. I gotta check it out. But yeah, we are chilling, bro. Man. Beautiful. This thing hasn't had a tune-up in 5+ years, yo. So just imagine. Hurry up, paint shop. Let's go. All right, Jersey. So we just arrived. Check it out. Just got here. We're here extra early. I got the wife in the van over there. I got the daughter over here inside the vehicular device. Hey, where you think you're going? Sit. Sit. Yo, sit. Take a seat. Sit in your CRX seat, girl. All right, let me get this ready to leave it. Well, there she is, guys. I'm about to leave her out here. I'm gonna miss you, girl. Until next time. You already know, Jersey riding shotgun. Tell her you in the Odyssey riding shotgun. She's like, I'm the only dog that just jumped in a CRX, then hopped up in an Odyssey, son. Stay right there, Jersey, all right? I gotta go get a spare key now. Oh snap, they got it categorized for Honda, you see that? Just got the key, and boy was that an expensive key. $5.38. Check it out. Hopefully this thing works.